Hey, what's going on, guys, ladies? I know a lot of people been following me on this build here. 2.5 years, and I'm about 99% done on this car. Only thing I got left to do is put my wheel trims on. I got to get the screws. I can't find them. Think that's it. I'm thinking that's it. Just put my trims on, and it's got to be cut and buffed. A couple little spots we found. I ain't in a rush for it. I told him I ain't in no hurry, just to have the car back and finish it up. I got to put my brace underneath the hood, and got to put my other cold air intake on, and put my springs on the grill on the front to make it pull in to the bumper. I got them at the house, but I'm gonna show y'all this build. This is it here, guys. This is a 2.5 years. I bought this car on the 4th of July, 2023. And I took it off the frame and did everything on it. Everything. Everything been done on this car. Everything. This car came completely apart. Yep. Everything been done on this car. And a lot of people say you could have just bought a Grand National, but I could have bought a Grand National, but I'll be just like everybody else. So I decided to build my own car the way that I wanted to do. And, you know, Lord's willing, you know, I'll be able to pass it down to my son if he said he don't want it, but I don't know what the plans is for it. Probably driving around. If a good number come to me, there's no price on it to sell it, but if somebody make an offer on it, if the offer ain't good, it ain't for sale. If the offer good, then it'll go. But as of now, it's not for sale. So I'm gonna turn it around, let you guys see what I got going on here. All right, here it is. Complete walk around. It's been lowered. I had to raise it up on the front a little bit. I had to put a spacer that came with the kit. Gotta get the headlights. That's what else too. I'm ordering some headlights. Gonna be LEDs. Got the US mag 18-inch wheels all around, 18 by 8s. I added rear defroster to this car too. I got the glass at the house. I wasn't in a rush to mess with it. I got it, so I can always do it. It's already wired up for it. So all interior done. Rims, brand new. The engine, like I said, the engine, transmission be redone. Let me show you. This car didn't have power windows nor locks. Added that. Added the concert sound speakers. Let you see over there. Added the floor shifter in here. Added the CD player. It come out of a I can't even think of the name of the vehicle. Cyclone. It's just like the Grand Nationals, but except for CD player, concert sound. Got Bluetooth added to it. I got jacks, RCA jacks on it to hook up the amp. Got Polk audio speakers in the doors. I got the dash and the rear speakers I got to install. Let's see, I added a map light. I added a rear view mirror with lighting. And I'm going to show you, I got a night picture I'm going to add in this clip. Let's see, I did all that's my original trims. I had painted black. I should have dropped them off to get powder coated with some of the other stuff I did, and I may do it because I got to do my emblem on the front, on the hood. It's going to be black and blue, powder coated. So I may drop these off and let them powder coat them too. And something else I may want to get powder coated. I can't think of what it is right now. But I'm not in a rush for that right now. I'm trying to get this trash out the seat. I got to get mats too. My wife getting on to me about getting mats for the floors. Let me see me pop the hood. And when you put new door seals in and stuff, them doors don't want to close. You got to push them babies hard. Got to be cleaned up around, just a little dusty. But like I said, I got the vintage air. Everything working in this car. I'm thinking about adding cruise control. Haven't decided. I got the box. Haven't decided. It rides so good. I gotta clean this up. I'm thinking about getting a brace, like a hideaway kit for this. But we was also thinking about, cause it was painted before. Thinking about going ahead and covering all this up and come back and repaint all that again. Cause this brace here, it's been, matter of fact, these gonna get powder coated. This one is freshly painted and it's never been used. That's why I gotta put the filter on there, because that short filter is not gonna work. It wasn't in the right there, it extended out. So gonna get these powder coated, this powder coated. Like I said, it's stuff like I think about, and this video helped me to go back to it. But let me close this hood. See, I got the LED lights. I'm getting the hood pad too. We're gonna install a hood pad. I got a trunk pad, and it's gonna try to see if they can make it to say the same thing. This car didn't have, I got power trunk. It didn't have that. Like I said, I added this car with third brake light. I added everything on this car where it come like it did from the factory. Like if it was fully loaded. You can see, got that. I'm gonna crank it up, let you guys hear it. I got a pulley I gotta put on here. Let's see, I got a pulley I gotta put on here because it got a little squeak too. I put a new one on there, but don't do it all the time. Say that air blows so cold up in that vintage air, man, that's the way to go. Electric fans. LED tail lights. I like them LED tail lights, especially when the blinker's on and you hit the brakes. I don't even think I put it, man, I gotta look at the gauge. Whatever the miles is, I think I got about 1,000 miles on this. On that motor and transmission from running it up and down the road, making sure everything was right. There it is. Stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all be safe out there. Got the Bluetooth in there, CD player. USB charger. Got to change that pulley. Let y'all look at this thing, man. Y'all see how it look in there. Just have to jump the battery off. Left the lights on. Got the map lights in there. search sound speakers. Added the power windows, power locks, and everything in this car. I added everything. Oh, I gotta put my indicator on there.